Can I find the lost treasures of Dwarka before the tide washes them away forever? Maybe. But beneath these waves, the most valuable clue may not be gold. It may be evidence. Off the coast of modern Dwarka in Gujarat, India, the Arabian Sea covers one of archaeologists' most intriguing questions. Ancient tradition connects Dwarka with Lord Krishna and the Mahabharata, where it is remembered as a powerful coastal city. Later accounts described the sea reclaiming it. For many, this is sacred history. For archaeologists, it is a mystery that must be tested carefully. So what would it take to prove a sunken city? Underwater archaeology is difficult because the sea constantly rearranges the crime scene. Currents bury objects, storms scatter stones, coral and marine growth hide surfaces. Even sonar can trick the eye. A straight line on a scan might be a wall, or it might be natural rock. That is why researchers need more than dramatic shapes. They need artifacts, context, dating, tool marks, and patterns that fit together. Around Dwarka and nearby Beit Dwarka, underwater explorations have reported stone anchors, pottery fragments, structural blocks, wall-like alignments, and possible harbor remains. These finds do not prove every detail of the ancient texts, but they do show that this coastline was connected to real maritime activity, boats, trade, fishing, anchoring, and settlement near the sea. The stone anchors are especially important. They are practical objects, not legends. Someone used them. Someone sailed these waters. Someone needed a place to stop, load, unload, and return. Then come the submerged structures and sonar readings. Some surveys have identified unusual formations beneath the waves, including shapes that appear organized enough to deserve closer study. But sonar is only a clue. It can point researchers toward a target. It cannot, by itself, declare, "This is the Dwarka of the Mahabharata." Divers still have to document what is there, recover material carefully, and compare each find with its exact location. That is where the mystery becomes powerful. The evidence suggests an important ancient coastal landscape, possibly involving harbor activity and settlement. But whether the remains match the legendary Dwarka exactly is still debated. So what secrets lie beneath the sunken city of Dwarka? Maybe an ancient port, maybe a sacred memory shaped by rising seas, maybe a place where mythology and archaeology overlap in ways we're only beginning to understand. The tide may hide the answers, but it has not erased the questions. What do you think lies beneath Dwarka? A lost city? An ancient harbor? A sacred memory? Or something stranger? Share your theory in the comments and subscribe for more ancient mysteries.